Hey guys, it's Hurricane Central here, bringing you guys another topical update on a very interesting video that I think I found something that the ECMWF is finally locking onto. Now, don't overhype about this stuff because things can change. Because this is from the 12Z run, which just came out about an hour and a half ago from this mile run. But I want to show you guys what you guys can see. So we're gonna put this in loop, and you guys can see a stalled out front right here, and it's producing individual little pressure systems. We move to the next frame, you see a concentrated area low pressure. We move to the next frame, you don't really see a lot, and then we head to this frame, we might see some development. That's what I think. I'm seeing development possible. Most of the models, GFS, CMC, UK Met. UK Met is also showing development, but this European is very overhyping. But it can happen though. It's happened with Arthur, which was even earlier in July, and it can happen. So I'm not saying this can't happen. It's just that it's really hard to do so. But with this environment, it is possible. So we had the next frame. We have 1005. It starts bombing out. And the reason why? Well, you can tell by the water temperatures. The reason it's bombing out is, look at this. The Gulf Stream is starting to get really warm over by the Outer Banks. Now, if it can stay right around this 50-mile zone, it can bomb out really a lot. It can bomb out. I mean, just bomb out really fast. It's about right here. And if you go over here, it's about like right here. So it's 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. So it's really conducive for development. And then we hit the next frame and we have a problem. It makes a northern shift towards the Outer Banks, which is kind of weird. And then we hit the next frame and it starts turning back. It starts turning back. It just clips the Outer Banks. It just near misses them with 984 millibars. That's a weak Category 1 hurricane, but it'll trump C. And then we head to the next frame. Yeah, you guys can see it. 966 millibar pressure. And it's not there's you can see some isobars over the northeast. So if this were to play out, which it's at like 192 hours, this is 216. So it starts forming around 144, which is not the longest range thing I've never seen. But let's just go to our wonder map. Now this is pretty awesome radar. Radar slash national kind of thing. Northeast Weather Authority pointing this out, which is a really cool product. And you guys can see right now, you guys can see a low pressure system. You got the cold front, you got a stationary front over here. Not really a warm front, a stationary front. All of this rain over Florida is concentrated. The ECMWF is leaking a little bit of a vorticity off here. And when it's showing it starting to spin up in the warm waters and inhibiting all of the things that could happen. It just ventilates itself like a big dome. There's nothing around it. Now you guys can see by the wind shear. This is a GFS. You can't enable it on the ECMWF. So yeah, you guys can see here's a trough right here digging in. It's gonna take it out to sea, but you can see right here in this zone, there's literally no wind shear. Look at this. Look at this. This is not really going to be wind shear. It's heading southward. So this is really not wind shear. I consider this wind shear. But yeah, you can see it's just ventilating itself. I mean, look at this. The trough is way up here. You know you're going to get a northeast turn, but you can just see. Look at this. It just ventilates itself. The water temperatures are good, and I don't think dry air is going to be an issue. But I haven't looked at the air temperature yet. Marine stability. No, I'm not gonna look at that. Let's just go to vorticity. I mean, let's just actually go to the yeah. Wait, actually, I think the ECMWF has it. I think it has the vorticity. Yeah, it does. Here we go. Here it is. You guys can see right here. Bam, right here. Let's put it on the northeast. Let's concentrate it. Bam, smack dab Category 2 hurricane off the coast. Most likely it'll pass northeast away from the U.S. But if this were to play out, Nantucket and the Cape Cod will need to keep close eye on this. But yeah, you guys, this is just a little shorter video, like a 5-minute video, 5.5 minutes, 6 minutes, whatever we can call it. Just a video on an update on the tropics, and it could start getting active because the ECMWF pointed this out in the 12Z in a 0Z run. Watch 0Z. Well, look at this. You guys can see it starts bombing it out when it comes off, but it has a little bit further east, which means it has more time over that warm water. Plus, if it's hugging the coast, that's where the colder waters are. If it can just get eastward, then we might have a problem. But really, you guys can see GFS, nothing. It's just going to show really nothing. It's showing like a little area, low pressure right here, but really isn't bombing out like the G. I know it's like a stupid white thing over it. And something else I need to point out. But usually, if it's 240 hours, it's really hard to like comprehend if it's really gonna happen. At 240 hours, we have another system we need to watch. Africa's gonna be below normal this year. I know that, but you know, with these waves constantly coming over, it's just gonna really just do that. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll be coming out with a new video tomorrow about this system. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.